Hello, vintage outboard motor fans. This is T-Mike here in South Louisiana, making another video today. Today's video is being shot on November 12th, 2022. My lovely wife's birthday was the 10th, and my father's birthday was today, 94 years old. Happy birthday, Dad. Love you much. And here we are in my shop on rather a cold, windy morning here in Louisiana. It's almost 45, 49 degrees, 50 degrees. That's cold here. And I'm working on restore number 124, which is a 1954 Johnson 10 horsepower QD-15. This restores from Mike in Niagara Falls, New York. Second restore I do for Mike, and I got her completely apart. Did run her in the barrel. She ran and passed the barrel test before I started. I got my paint here. Got her completely apart. Getting ready to check the gearbox. Pressure test the gearbox. Power head had compression 7570. Got my heater going to get my hood painted. I got her sanded down and got the first coat of the dull aluminum from Vintage Outboard Paints on the wings. Got the first coat of the wings. I do have a few little dents, superficial scratches on the hood. I can't sand out, but I think she's going to be a beauty. I think she's going to work out good. So I'm going to go ahead and clean her now and get her painted up and get her put back together. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. See you next time. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Here at T-Mike's Vintage Outboards, we're doing it one motor at a time. Please click on subscribe. I guarantee to provide weekly videos. Au revoir, mes amis, and laissez les bon temps rouler.